have no fear of Cass's weapons.
My mom did try to raise me more right now.
And your mom did an amazing job that those weapons have been used in my defense.
Your Majesty, they're frisking her for alcohol, not weapons.
Oh, no, share. That should have been better. You service amazingly, but that's not why you're here. You're here because, well, let's back up a little bit. The first time I met you, you were in the audience, and your lady wife received an award, and I hear from the background, "That's my wife!" And I was like, oh my gosh, where did we get that energy? That is amazing. And then you make all the things, and you celebrate all the things, and you sing, and you let me sing with you, but you lift up the kingdom. You bring joy, you bring alcohol. You bring song, you bring amusement, you bring stories. You're this little flickering light that just blossoms out of Ethelmar, and it's spectacular. And so we see fit to do this.
A wandering bard once asked, "How does one find the party?" Just follow your compass. Whether kingdom party or a mighty castle, a plethora of drink can be found. From carboy to cask, cocktail to cordial, your thirst shall never go unquenched. Whom can we thank for this consideration? Why, Cassiano de Castello is culpable to this cause. Cultivating concoctions is more than just cheerful craft. With considerable carefulness, they create and corroborate, sifting through codices, chasing the chains of steps needed for the completion of any compound. With charisma and kindness, they create and conduct contests to commemorate their crafty companions. Clever Cass is a champion in the libation community and never fails to encourage or include. Do you hear the cacophony of clamorous proportion? Our bard has found the party. In true form, Cassiano greets them with a smile and cup in hand, sharing the knowledge of each creation. With Krupnik and Keg, they complete our kingdom and complement the Ethelmark carousal culture. Corroborating this, we, King Andreas and Queen Callista, with considerable cheerfulness, do confirm Cassiano di Castello, a companion of the Order of the Howling Wolf, done this 17 years. Words by Her Ladyship, Fede, and Baroness Antoinette.
That's your wife. That's your wife.
Illumination and calligraphy done by Lady Colfina.
God. So I believe there's something missing. I think we need a veritable cornucopia of vivats now. Sorry.
All good. For his